Mema muni akwa eba Melodies TV so mama mo ati ase se ensem wa Kennedy Japan aka afa Nigeria hu no edoso na ensem no ye de nini na explanation bremo ba kum the Nigeria the response awama on ensem no so ye de bremo na enra the first one ye de bremo allegation na Kennedy Japan kan say Nigeria wo pemba wo remba trese na so remba na de wo wi omo oyemba asem no. We played an old audio from Nigeria, an interview he did with Black Rasta 2 years ago. And Nigeria Nankasa confirmed me say nekre one no there ni weakness bako eyemba. Now we also played another audio na Nigeria si wo ba bi pe e wa sorry them na ase we hu eyi trebi afọ ba ne ho a wo ka che wo ba ne say I love you. Now wo ba ne respond and na Nigeria ka che wo ba ne say is that how you respond and wo ba ne so ka say I love you. Until I play that audio, until I don't know to me, I say, okay, so the basis of Kennedy Japan can say Nigeria was pemba no yemba no even Nigeria himself admitted say emba any weakness. Until Ode Kennedy Japan 3 points ebemano. I brought you another one. Kennedy Japan walk say Nigeria sword be a wo use what the sword be esi form hono. Nigeria came out to explain on the prophetic and my mama tia say Ghana has say a D4 Kennedy Japan nankasa be hu say a D4 way and now so for way can wonye fake no so for ne kan no there are things they believe in ye can ring and so for bebre Ghana ha wo mo share ring Archbishop Duncan Williams Muni na you hu mo say wo mo any genuine men of God but they also wear rings into ye can symbolism and nyama bia there are some things bia eno no untumi emfa on say nsi nka say eno hunti wo so for ni fake nti eno no sa asem no na untumi emma point on that matter. Now the third allegation at Kennedy Japan very huge allegation about it to Nigeria so and they say Nigeria ekun oba bia na efe no Wendy Finn Kennedy Japan etre wo ban pictures e wo ni TV so ehun say yes. Now the story behind Wendy Finn no the Kennedy Japan can ye ni was say Nigeria ene mba na twem chese wo mo twempena Nigeria ni sa wo ba Wendy Finn no mo twempena ena Wendy Finn no na adwen say wo be exposing Nigeria because na Nigeria ye na adebia ni engine nti lady ni ye na adwen say wo be ba abonten aba be kan atra mansan say ni so I told you said Nanka Nigeria was a compensating lady no. It's a Nigeria koto a dine Lakeside Estate. Says estate name say Lakeview Estate is a Lakeside Estate to say dine. They can Japan I can say Nigeria koto dine was outside no. Emma wabano. Into wabano crass walk on her a dine walk on na day na wa crass walk on and I say obi ekobonu ti wuye. So according to Kennedy Japan, Nigeria any movie. Nigeria no ball pa because Obana yes wo be ba bonten and Nigeria ma yekun Obano. Now, on that particular thing, Kennedy Japan just showed the pictures of the lady. Kennedy Japan didn't show any proof that you be who say okay Nigeria in a ball pa say yenkun Obano, but yen him Kennedy Japan na kasa whether he speaks and he shows proof or not, still a lot of people will believe him. Now, Abrante be Ababontin. Abrante where you be Obeka say he is Mohammed's boy. Where you NDC ni. Now, Ababontin Abba explaining matters. What the pictures Ababontin as also posted a story by Adam online. What tre says I lady no ni wono. Nigeria ni mhwe. Na said Abrante wokun lady ne kran last month ya and police for chino. Ama Abrante na krano wa confess atre de nti a wokun lady no nti asem a Kennedy Japan wa ka nipa kun a wode to Nigeria so no according to Abrante yi enye ne kre Abrante a ye ka na asem ni din e de Abraham Ferguson na people say me read asem a Abraham Ferguson wode to dwa what tagi nkofo bebre what tagi NDC mpanyimfo what tagi Sami Jemfi e tagi Jifa Gunu e chese NDC mpanyimfo bebre what tagi wo mo and I say we posty. Now let me read the post from Abraham Ferguson. I say I was shocked when I heard Kennedy Japan concocting and fabricating pure lies about Wendy Finn Morrison's death. Just for the records, Wendy Finn was murdered at Lakeside Estate and her car snatched on 15th December 2018, and a report was lodged at the Lakeside Police Station, and an investigator by name Madam Yvonne Agboja was assigned to handle the complaint at Lakeside Estate Police Station. Into the branch can say in the first point in the first paragraph was say in some Kennedy Japan where can about how when the Finn Morrison ni wono a concoction a trop fabricating lies and a lies na Kennedy Japan were fabricating pure lies. Was say when the Finn 2018 15th December and a yekuno na a Lakeside Estate ho and a yekuno and Kennedy Japan even said Lakeside ho and yekun lady no. Now Abrante Edekan said the assailant who engaged in the heinous crime is called Abraham Boyson, who was on the run. Not just say Abrante say Abrante wokun when the fin no ni din e the Abraham Boyson. Na wokun when the fin ni we ye no e na Abraham Boyson no wo ye den wo dwane ye. E na wo posti e ye Adom FM for Abraham Ferguson yo we posti Adom FM for reports bia wo mo make yes 2018 no na be person me read Adom FM for report na e trail Adom FM for kra e posti Abrante ne picture e can say Ghana Police Service has mounted a search for two suspected criminals, Abraham Boyson and Frank Kofi Somwa. Boyson, who is known as Nana, is wanted for murder and robbery, and Mr. Somwa is also wanted for the same offenses. In the Ghana Police form po wey Adom FM report to NEBA 2018 say Ghana Police for ehun say abrantie e na woko kun when the Finn Morrison into omu declare say abrantie Ebenezer Boyson no Ebenezer Boyson sorry omu Ebenezer Boyson no omu declare no wanted. Inti ewo ho opako Adom FM online akọ type Ebenezer Boyson no be hu story no. Inti back then Ghana Police knew say abrantie na ekun lady no inti omu be declare abrantie no wanted. Now let's go on to Abraham Ferguson point no. The third point I was say just last month the gentleman was arrested in Kumasi after he snatched another person's vehicle. Now say abrantie na edwuma awoye no no. Wo bon crofotio na we wia wo car na odekọ saa na ode ye when the fin near say sanso e na woko Kumasi a wode ye but wo police for wanted list so into last month here na police for eche no because for sanso e the yobi. As we speak, after the gentleman was arrested, the docket was sent to the CID headquarters and case is being handled by Detective Courage Abochi. Just wobobon grofudin CID fodin Abrante Ebenezer Abraham Ferguson ye kase wo ye mahama boy no wono na wodi prove we niaba because o person tre say enye na jigezi na ekun oba no. Now we na the chance say the Ebenezer Boyson's gentle in currently the Ebenezer Boyson gentleman is currently in police custody as we speak. Wendy has no single child anywhere in this world, and Wendy has never traveled to Germany. And back in the Japan where Kasana Kennedy Japan can say Wendy Fini Uyobia wako Germany pen. And Abraham Ferguson ni say wonim sa Wendy Fini ya Kennedy Japan where kana say me Germany ho when the fin em ko hoda won call Germany crapping when the fin near back because Kenya Japan said say Nigeria any when the fin no not say wo mo back o say no wonye mama no say den interna sa de ni see Abrante person say when the fin has no single child. We no some so the chance say Wendy never attended Nigeria's church. Munti asemi ye was it when the Fini one called Nigeria sorry crada. Was it the gentleman who murdered Wendy was sent to the crime scene last month after he was arrested, and the attached video will bear witness. He admitted to the crime, and so where from this attempt to link Nigeria to it. It's just someone Abraham Ferguson all can and say police for cry enim say Abrantia wokun when the fini ya cheno Abrantia na actual reason intia wokun sa when the fini Inti Kennedy Japan free here. What they Nigerians ebe for it asem no enya nekre because even the police know the truth. Inti police for the crano they can't arrest Nigerians on this because a branch na trade the entire yes and say no wo robe kana ya ade a yese wo ye ejuma wo ye no a branch ye Ebenezer Boys na ye kan ho asem no yese ejuma wo ye no inti afei so ena nsem eba abonte mama wa ate ase Kennedy Japan ka asem for obi ho na obi nso e de asemba na nipa ko ne provide proof na ehu ne say okay nipa ko nso de wo say ye kan ye de nipa ko ne de nso ebetu dwa the person provided a proof from Adum FM 2018 reporter wo mo ye na Adum FM for report ye say yes police for hwehwe branch say we kun lady no ya chi a branch last month ya wo ko sin ho e say ne kre wo no kun lady no na wo lady ne ka ewia asemo eda ho no mo ntre mo adwen e comment box ni mo me da ase